how to reset all settings in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to reset all your settings, then open your settings. Go back to the main page of your settings. Now here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data. So this is the way to reset all the settings in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.